Hi, I'm Cherry, and today we'll be making cookie dough lip scrub, and Evan Tori will be compounding. To start, we melt together a super moisturizing blend of fairtrade shea butter, hazelnut oil, pistachio oil, and jojoba oil to make lips soft and supple. Then we create a rich chocolatey base with gardenia extract and cocoa powder. Granulated sugar and fine sea salt are blended for all important scrubbing benefits. We leave the dry scrubbers and head back into our melt mix to add in the sweet cookie dough scent. This heavenly flavor is made with almond essential oil and vanilla absolute to mimic bakery freshness. Now we blend our dry and melt mixes with a hit of castor sugar for extra scrubbing power and mix it together until smooth. Finally, we head to the filling station.
Ready for you, Michelle.
Doesn't it smell insane? This smells like we're baking.
Then we pack our dough into reusable glass jars. We press it all in, screw on the lid, add our labels, and send them off to a store near you.
And that's how we make cookie dough lip scrub.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check our other videos and leave comments down below so we will know what you'd like to see next. Bye!